There's no art form in the world like cars. I'm Jason Wenig, owner of the Creative Workshop. Over the past 20 years, I've been restoring and showing cars at the top concours events around the world. One of the biggest challenges I face is finding the talent needed to restore, service, and repair our wonderful classic cars. It's a challenge that extends to the show field, where there's a perception that the newer generations don't have the same passion for classic cars as we do. For the past several years, I have been working closely with the RPM Foundation to help overcome these challenges and perceptions. The RPM Foundation is leading the charge to ensure the skills needed to support our hobby not only remain, but grow, infusing the current and future generations of technicians with the tools necessary to succeed in vibrant careers in this niche automotive space. By doing this, not only are they ensuring our collective hobby remains strong, but they're inspiring and energizing new enthusiasts every day.
My name is Bill Bandy.
Hi, my name is Kinsey Wilson.
My name is Gregorio Rivera.
I'm 23.
I'm 20 years old.
I'm a 44-year-old U.S. Army veteran.
RPM Foundation, I just want to give you a quick thank you.
I was one of the Scott Henderson X Cup scholarship recipients.
I'd like to express my gratitude to the RPM Foundation and its partners for providing me with much-needed internship funds this summer.
You guys ended up helping me fund my room for my learning experience on custom fabrication of sheet metal.
This scholarship will not only allow me to focus more on my studies, but be a constant reminder to always do the best that I can in everything that I do.
The RPM Foundation is driving the future with the RPM Futures class. To learn more, visit rpm.foundation.